Thank you for making me a mama.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Love you so much.
Love you so much.
Guys, I'm a lucky mama because I have my babies. Itlog number 1 and 2. Ano sabi niyo sa akin kanina? Baka si Ate Zebi nag-make siya ng toast for me.
Wala ko ano kung luto. Paano akong luto? Wala akong pera. Pwede ka man din magawa ng
Need
toast.
money.
Sometimes you just need love, Zeb.
Love mo si Umiaw? Bakit love niyo ako?
Ikaw yung best mom in the world. Best mom ever.
Ever. Bakit?
Kaya naka-marry ka ng old gangster.
Oh, gangster si Papa.
Mm.
But he's good now.
Mm.
Very good.
Yeah.
Best Papa ever.
Mm-mm.
Best Papa ever. Mornings like this, guys.